This outside mohawk exercise is great for training and developing consistent foot placement, strong checks, and a natural use of cross roll for maintaining flow. Layering up our learning will start with the steps, then managing pattern, and finally a few control points. A summary of our steps only. We have a forward outside mohawk and a back cross roll. Forward outside, then backward outside, and cross roll to backward outside. And now for our pattern, using the blue line as our exercise axis. The first thing we'll notice once we're into repeating the sequence is how the cross roll becomes both the end of one lobe and the beginning of the next, evident here as the entry of the mohawk commences partway around the new lobe. And our cross roll may take a mild retrogression, beneficial to keeping things curvy. And now on to the control points, and we will focus on 2. First up, each time we prepare to restart, the free side is drawn back and the skate side should be locked in. No looseness at the waist or shoulders, and certainly no swimming arms. And our body weight needs to be kept in our original circle. Now the free side is ready to lead and the skate side is held back. And the result is this strong skate side lead shaping as we step onto our new foot. Free hip and shoulder well back as we arrive in time for our mohawk. You will notice it here in your rear if you are doing it well. Which brings us neatly to point 2. Alignment for mohawk. 90 degrees of turnout at the thighs make a diamond window between the legs. Hips and shoulders must face out of our circle. And our free foot is placed neatly, toe to heel, as if it's hiding. More glute work here if we don't keep them switched on and working to prevent the pelvis rotating, then that's exactly what will happen. And as always, step out of your circle when making the step from backwards to forwards. These are the devilish details that make or break this exercise. I hope you enjoyed this warm-up for forward outside mohawks, and if you want to take a deeper dive on outside mohawk technique, then click the top right. See you next time!